Okay, I will ask Adgun. Adgun, please tell me what do you mean by verb? And turn on your video, please. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Turn on your video, then we'll continue this topic. I'm waiting for you, everyone. Akshara, Aditya, turn on your video. Savya, meanwhile, please speak up. What do you mean by verb?
The action that we are doing is called verb.
The action that we do is called verb. Okay. Akshara, your video is still off. Hargunpreet Singh, turn on your video. Hargunpreet. Jasmeet. Karthik. Let me wait for some students, then we'll start. Jasmeet, Hargun. But I will just speak your name one more time, otherwise I'm going to remove you. Mitarthi, turn on video. Raghav, Tanvi. Bishav, Avneet. Chitesh. Ipsa, Madhav. Veronica. Saksham Samarth. My God, so many students are there. Sonam. Okay, verb is the action that we do, and after 5 minutes I'll check again the participant list. अगर repetition हुई किसी भी student की video off हुई, I'm going to remove you from the meeting. No need to sit in the class if you are just absent-minded here. So verb is the action word, ठीक है, action that we do. So next is there are two types of verb. You already know this, transitive and intransitive verb. So what is transitive verb? They are the action words which have objects. For example, I bake some cookies. So you have to find out after the verb. There are so many students who just find out the answer of what or whom in the beginning. So please speak up your sentence till your verb, then ask yourself what or whom. So transitive gives answer of what or whom. So I bake, then ask yourself what. I bake what? So your answer is some cookies. So you are getting answer. So this is transitive verb. I ride what? I ride the bicycle. I move what? The chair. So you are getting answer of what or whom. In intransitive, you are not getting any answer. Yes, Karthik?
यस मैम मैम जो आपने कहा था ये हमने फेयर कॉपी में करने हैं मैम ये बाद में करने हैं कि अभी क्लास में करने हैं फेयर में
Beta, you can do, but in good handwriting. If you can do, if you are thinking that I can just do it in bad handwriting, then you can quickly note down on rough. Okay?
ओके मैम
So in transitive verbs, हाँ जी दिवांग, yes please.
मैम ये हमने नोटबुक पे
Repeat, beta, your voice is cracking. Repeat it.
मैम ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब की जो सी डेफिनेशन है वो हमने नोट करनी है
Better, I think you should note to so that you can revise in exam. Okay? So intransitive verbs are the verbs which do not have any object. They don't have any object which can receive the action. So you can see here cookies are receiving the action. Which action? Baking. Bicycle is getting the action. What action? Ride. Chair is having one action, that is move. So move is directly related to chair. Ride is directly related to bicycle. So but in this case there is no object. Here you can get answer of how, when, where, why. I laughed loudly. How I laughed? Loudly. So you can get answer of how. I laughed yesterday. So when I laughed, you can get answer of when. The baby cried in the room. Where the baby cried? In the room. So in transitive, you get answer of what or whom. In intransitive, other questions, all the questions. I'll show you this slide again after discussing the exercise. So this is your exercise. First of all, do first 5 1. Randomly, I will ask you. I will not start from the first one. I can ask you any sentence. So 1 to 5. You have 1 minute. 1 to 5. Underline the verb. Then tell me transitive or intransitive. Your time starts now. 1 to 5. I know you know this thing. You can zoom your screen if you're using your phone. Okay, let's start. Gaurish, Karthik, Savya, Akshara, maybe. Yes. Line wise, I will ask you randomly. So, Gaurish, number 5.
Yes, ma'am. The apple fell from the tree. Ma'am, fell is verb, and in my opinion, the answer is intransitive because it is giving the answer of where.
From where the apple fell, yes, exactly. It is giving answer of place. We are not getting answer of what or whom. So this is intransitive. If you are having any doubt or any problem in this sentence, you can always unmute and ask. If you agree, then it is okay. So next is Karthik. Karthik, you can unmute and tell me answer number 3.
Yes, ma'am. I gave my sister a mobile phone. Gave is the verb, and it is transitive because it gives the answer of whom.
Whom and what both answers you are getting. So this is surely transitive. So
And ma'am,
everyone, yes, beta.
I have a doubt. मैम जैसे
Hmm.
जो हमारा वर्ब होता है उसके नेक्स्ट हमने वो देखना होता है व्हाट या होम, कि उसके बाद जैसे आपने इसमें कहा इसमें व्हाट का भी आंसर दे रहा है कि मोबाइल फोन हमने
बेटा both the
दिया है.
answers are after gave. Gave के बाद ये दोनों
Okay.
आंसर है ना, whom भी और what भी. Actually this is not in your syllabus, but for your information everyone, I'm just telling you, when you get answer of both the question what or whom, then that is called ditransitive. DI transitive. Okay, that is called ditransitive. But here we can simply write this is transitive. But when you get answer of whom as well as what, I gave whom, my sister, I gave what, a mobile phone. So you are getting answer of both the answers. Surely this is transitive, but in other books in a higher level you will just learn that this is called ditransitive. Transitive की एक आगे type होती है जिसमें आपको दोनों answer मिलते हैं, that is called ditransitive. Okay. Next one is so Chehek and Devang, please unmute. Chehek first. Chehek first answer. First one.
Ma'am, bought is the verb and it is transitive as it is giving the answer of what.
Okay, I bought what? I bought what? Answer is dozen of cakes. So this is transitive. Yes, Devang, unmute beta. Number 4.
Number 4, ringing. It's ringing and it's intransitive.
Give reason also beta.
Ma'am, because it is tell the answer how.
Yes, the bell is ringing. Now ask yourself question what? Here you have to find out the answer. The bell is ringing what? No answer. The bell is ringing whom? No answer. The belling ring is how? How loudly? So this is your intransitive. Well done. So next one is IPSA. IPSA, the one which is left.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second answer in this, the verb is stopped and the answer is intransitive because it gives the answer of where.
Where? The bus stopped where? At the lonely place. So you are not getting answer of what or whom. So well done all of you. Correct answers. Now another 1 minute for 6 to 10. Now you have to do 6 to 10. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute. So I think some of the students are ready. So yes, Shubh, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubh, number 10.
The plane will, ma'am, take off, and take off is the verb and it is intransitive because as it is giving the answer of when it will take off.
Yes, exactly. You are getting answer of when. So this is the plane will take off in 5 minutes. That means you are having time. So this is not transitive at all. This is intransitive. Okay, well done. Akshara, are you there? Are you ready or if you are doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are ready, then please tell me number 7.
Copying verb.
Copied is the verb and transitive, intransitive. Akshara, loudly.
Transitive.
Why so?
Giving the answer of what? He copied what? My answer.
He copied what? My answer. Yes. So this is, sorry, beta, transitive. Let me erase it. By mistake, I just wrote intransitive. This is transitive. So Raj Aryan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 9, beta.
Ma'am, stole is the verb and it is transitive. And stole what? The man stole what?
Exactly, exactly. Well done. The man stole what? क्या चोरी किया उसने? A bike. So you are getting answer. The man stole a bike. So again, this is transitive. Okay, well done. So next one is Jasween. Jasween, number 6.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, invented and it is transitive.
Invented. Thomas Edison invented is the verb. This is Jasween. Repeat it.
Transitive.
Yes.
Transitive.
He invented what? The light bulb. So the last one.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
excuse me. Ma'am, आप previous slide दिखा दोगे मैम क्योंकि मैंने इसी slide पे join की थी क्लास कुछ network error था.
Okay, I'll show you beta just in a minute. So Saksham and Samarth.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Saksham and Samarth, the one which is left beta.
Yes, ma'am. Intransitive.
Beta, verb first of all.
Get up.
Get up is the verb. I get up when is the answer, so this is intransitive. Sometimes some prepositions are written with your verb. You have to underline that also. These are called phrasal verbs. ठीक है? Phrase होता है, verb phrase. Okay, this was the exercise. Now you can note down. I'm giving you 1 minute. I'm showing you the previous slide. After this, we are going to play one game because this was an easy topic and we did it in just 15 minutes. So we'll play one game online. Okay. So Jasween, this is for you. Transitive, meaning and intransitive, along with the questions. So this was the first one and this is second one. Only in this area, you are allowed to take the screenshot so that you can just do it later. Otherwise, you are not supposed to take screenshots of the class. But here on this slide, you can take the screenshot. Now let's move to one game that is a speaking game. We have 15 minutes. Okay. So I'm just, otherwise I don't divide the class in boys and girls, okay? But we are sitting online, so I have to divide it in boys and girls only. अगर आप class में होते तो हम lines बना रहे थे A, B, C, D. But here I have to make only girls and boys teams, okay? Let me come back. This is the speaking game. One topic will be shown on the screen and you have to speak on that topic for 1 minute without taking any break. Without taking any break, instantly you have to start. Whatever comes to your mind, you have to just speak it without taking pause. So we will see कि कौन कितना pause लेता है, उसके according we'll decide who's the winner. ठीक है? So let me share one screen. I just today found one game for you. Just wait. It is opening. Just give me 1 minute. So boys and girls. The name of the game is The Expert. We have to choose the time limit. 30 seconds, 60 or 120. 120 बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. 60 and 30 I'm confused. Okay, let's start with 60 seconds. And I'm starting from the girls side. Chehek.
Yes, ma'am.
Chehek, your time starts now and your topic is furniture. 56 seconds. Jaldi se. Yes, start.
Ma'am, we have to talk about furniture.
Yes. 48 seconds. ऊपर time चल रहा है बेटा.
We get furniture from trees. It is very helpful. It is used in our houses also to make many things like beds, doors, and many of the things. And it is also used in many other objects also. Ma'am, इतना ही आ रहा है.
Continue. Speak up anything.
Ma'am, it is very useful in our life.
Okay, fine. So Chehek, you took break of 10 seconds in the beginning. Okay, and you just stopped for 5 seconds in the middle, and you just took 10 seconds at last, 10 to 12 seconds when you spoke that. No, I don't know. Okay, so I have noted down. Now the next person is just wait. Okay, Shubh is on my screen. Shubh, please unmute. Your topic is beta the internet. Start please quickly. Shubh, your time is running. Where are you? Okay, I'll wait for 10 seconds. Otherwise, I have to mark that 60 seconds got wasted from boys' side. Okay, Shobh is I think nowhere. So Savya, unmute beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Your topic is internet and your time starts now.
Yes, ma'am. The internet is important for us in this COVID times. We can attend our online classes with the help of internet. Internet helps us in other many ways. Children can play many games and have fun. many of we can do as COVID is all around over us, and we can't go outside, so we can do online shopping with the internet. We can communicate with each other through internet. Internet is popular among all the generations. Everyone is using the internet in this modern era. Everyone likes to use internet.
Okay. Okay, well done. So you wasted almost about 10 seconds only. So 50 points will be given to you out of 60 points. Okay. Next one is Akshara. Akshara, please unmute and your category. Are you ready? First of all, please say yes, I am ready. Then I will start. Okay. Shoplifting. Okay, this is if I could go back in time. Your time starts now.
If I go back,
Okay, network issue, I think so. Okay, Akshara, you can rejoin quickly. Yes, Adgun.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, beta, if I could go back in time, then what would you do?
If I could go back in time, the time that we used to play in school. Now, if I would go to school, I would wear mask, but I would love to go back in time as we played and enjoyed with teachers and all our friends, and we missed everything. But if I could go back in time now, I would love to enjoy, and I would miss everything. If I could go back in time now, we have to wear masks and keep sanitizers with us. But first, we don't use masks and everything. We could just move freely around everything and touch everything. But now we cannot go anywhere and enjoy like the previous time as the COVID generation
Okay,
passes.
okay, fine. So the topic was if I could go back in time, then what would I do? Okay, I would enjoy my life to the fullest. Okay, I would just try to communicate with my teachers, and I would sit with my friends and gossip, and I would go to school canteen. I could eat anything. Okay, so Adgun, no doubt you spoke for 60 seconds full. बट लिटिल बिट ऑफ द ट्रैक ठीक है थोड़ा सा आप थोड़ा प्रेजेंट पे आ रहे थे बार बार दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू गिव यू 45 पॉइंट्स बट यू स्पोक फॉर द होल मिनट ठीक है वेल डन सो नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द बॉयज साइड पहले तो प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो एवरीवन एंड डोंट बी अफ्रेड यू कैन स्पीक एनीथिंग कहाँ गए सारे बच्चे वेयर आर यू हरमीत Okay. Devang, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your category is electronics. All the electronics goods you can speak about. Your time starts now.
electronics is the only machine that is helpful in this time because in all the homes there it cannot be maybe press or nothing, but there is always a fridge and a TV there because it is.
Continue quickly.
Electronic is very useful in the today time as the iron is used to press our clothes, fridge are used to store items and food items, and the television is used for our entertainment. And in today time there is very useful of power banks and the chargers because all are attending the online meetings, and to charge our phones and laptops, it is very useful.
Okay, that's it. You wasted only 10 seconds, so 50 points will be given to you. Okay, well done. So you have to just something. Okay, everyone. So जो तो turn off करके बैठे हैं video, please come up on the screen. Be brave. It's okay. If you will get turn, you will learn something new, beta. So please come and just try to participate because I'm giving chance to students who are just showing me their video only. So Ruhani, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your topic is bank account and your time starts now.
Ma'am, I wish to have my bank account, my alone bank account, because I want to save my money for my future to 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 spend it on many things like cars or other items. My mother and all my relatives have bank account. Whenever I go to bank, I wish that I have my own bank account. Uh,
Continue.
Ma'am, it saves our money and it gives investment to our money. And
Okay.
I wish that I could have my own bank account.
Okay. 10 seconds to go. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 45 points will be given to you because of ending. Otherwise, you tried your best to speak. Okay. Harmeet, you ready? Yes, Harmeet. Other student, please mute yourself. Harmeet, speak up something, then only I will give you turn, beta. Quickly.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
You are not ready?
Ma'am, I am ready.
Okay, you are ready. So your question is marriage. Very interesting. Your time starts now.
I'm married.
Marriage. Your time is running
Marriage at the
quickly.
beginning.
Harmeet, where are you? So boys ने इतने अच्छे marks लिए हैं. Don't just waste their marks. Quickly speak up, beta. Girls का फायदा हो रहा है. Quickly.
Ma'am,
Marriage.
मेरा नेटवर्क बंद.
No, there is no network problem at all. I can hear you. 19 seconds. 17. Okay. 10. Okay, I think he wants to quit. So I have to give you minus 60 here. At least, beta, you could just narrate one, incident when you attended a marriage. तो कितना कुछ आप उसमें बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? Okay, from the girl side, because we are having still 2 minutes. So from the girl side, who's ready? Show me your video, please, quickly. Samriddhi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your topic, no furniture. Okay, TV. Your time starts now.
In these time that children are sitting in homes, children can saw TV for their entertainment. TV is
Quickly.
We also get knowledge. Our parents can see news.
Yes, well done. Next. Speak up.
It widens our horizon.
Okay, I can hear someone else's voice also. Okay, then. Okay, so I'm giving you 25 points out of 60. Okay. Okay, then from boys side. I never ever expected कि boys ऐसे भाग जाएंगे video off करके. Very bad. At least जो girls हैं उनमें courage है कि चलो हम कुछ तो बोलेंगे चाहे 25 second बोल लें. What about boys? Savya got turn. Only Savya is there. Devang is there. Okay, Bishop. Bishop, are you ready? Yes, Bishop. No, he is not ready. Very bad. Okay, then I'm not able to find a single boy even. Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the most difficult thing about learning English, you have to speak about it for 60 seconds and your time starts now. Yes, Vaibhav.
The most difficult thing that to learn English is
Which is the most difficult thing in English? Girls are very happy. Jasween is smiling. Okay, 20. Savya is sad. Okay. So, okay, Vaibhav, I'm giving you then 5 points, I think. Okay, let's do now total. Total. Girls, please अपना total करो बेटा. I'm just going to speak up the points. Chehek got 30 points. Adgun 45. Ruhani 45. Samriddhi 25. Please add it. I'm going to repeat it. 30, 45, 45, 25. And boys, Savya 50 points. Devang 50. Harmeet, unfortunately 0 because he couldn't talk. And Weber 5. So boys के 105 points. And what about girls? Yes, Jasmine, कितने point हुए बेटा?
Ma'am, 145.
145. 145. So clearly girls are the winner. So clap for girls, please, everyone. So boys इसीलिए हारे हैं क्योंकि they were not showing themselves on camera. I think सारे भाग गए video off करके. That's not the good thing. You should participate. Okay, and one day when we will have some easy topic, we'll try to play something new. Okay, like this, and then we'll see who will win. Okay. Now I'm going to leave this meeting. Take care. Do this transitive, intransitive in your fair notebooks. Bye, beta.